Humans aren't the only ones capable of feeling empathy. In this video, we'll cover 12 animals who are emotionally intelligent and capable of feeling empathy, and some of these even express it to humans. Horses. Horses are often recognized for their strength, speed, and beauty, but they are also highly social and emotionally intelligent animals. In the wild, horses live in close-knit groups called herds. Survival depends on cooperation. Because of this, horses are extremely aware of the emotions and behaviors of those around them. Researchers have found that horses can recognize emotional expressions in both humans and other horses. They often react differently, depending on whether another individual appears calm, fearful, or stressed. Many horse owners and trainers report seeing horses become visibly concerned when another horse is injured or distressed. Some horses will stay close to a sick herd member instead of wandering away with the rest of the group. Scientists believe horses rely heavily on emotional communication. Their ability to detect subtle changes in body language helps them understand the emotional state of others. This sensitivity may not look dramatic compared to some animals on this list, but it plays a vital role in maintaining social bonds within horse herds. Their ability to respond to the emotions of others is one reason horses have developed such strong relationships with humans throughout history. Rats. Rats are often misunderstood animals. Many people view them as pests, but research has revealed that rats possess surprisingly complex social behaviors. One of the most famous studies on rat empathy involved placing a rat inside a small, restraining device while another rat remained free. Researchers discovered that the free rat would often work to release the trapped rat even when there was no reward. In some cases, rats chose to free another rat before accessing food. The behavior became even more remarkable when scientists found that rats were more likely to help individuals they were familiar with, suggesting that social relationships influence their actions. Rats have also been observed sharing food and displaying signs of stress when they witness other rats in distress. These behaviors suggest that rats are capable of emotional responses that go beyond simple instinct. While rats may not experience empathy exactly as humans do, the evidence indicates that they can be affected by the suffering of others and may act to reduce that suffering. For such small animals, their social intelligence is remarkable. Dogs. Dogs have lived alongside humans for thousands of years. Over that time, they have become exceptionally skilled at reading human emotions. Many dog owners have experienced moments when their dog approached them during periods of sadness, anxiety, or stress. Scientists have studied this phenomenon extensively. Research suggests that dogs can recognize differences in human facial expressions, body language, and vocal tones. When people cry, many dogs show increased attention and are more likely to approach them. Some dogs will nuzzle, lick, or remain close to a distressed person. Dogs also demonstrate empathy toward other dogs. Within social groups, dogs often engage in behaviors that help maintain harmony and strengthen relationships. After conflicts, dogs may attempt to reconnect with one another through friendly interactions. Their close relationship with humans has likely enhanced their ability to understand emotions. In fact, some researchers believe dogs may be among the best animals in the world at interpreting human feelings. This emotional awareness is one reason dogs are frequently used as therapy animals, service animals, and emotional support companions. Their ability to recognize and respond to distress makes them one of the most relatable examples of empathy in the animal kingdom. Dolphins. Dolphins are widely regarded as some of the most intelligent animals on Earth. They possess large brains, complex social structures, and advanced communication abilities. One of the most fascinating aspects of dolphin behavior is how they care for injured or vulnerable members of their group. Researchers have repeatedly observed dolphins supporting sick or injured individuals near the surface of the water so they can continue breathing. This behavior can require significant effort and may continue for extended periods. Dolphins have also been seen protecting vulnerable group members from predators and coordinating their actions to assist one another. In some cases, dolphins have even been reported helping members of other species, including humans. While not every story involving dolphins and humans can be scientifically verified, there is strong evidence that dolphins display cooperative and helping behaviors within their own social groups. Dolphin societies are incredibly complex. Individuals form long-term relationships, cooperate during hunting, and communicate using a wide variety of sounds. Maintaining these relationships requires a high degree of social awareness. Their willingness to help distressed group members is one reason that many scientists consider dolphins among the most empathetic animals ever studied. Elephants. Few animals have earned a reputation for empathy quite like elephants. Elephants live in highly social family groups led by experienced females, known as matriarchs. Members of these groups often remain together for many years and develop strong emotional bonds. Researchers have documented numerous examples of elephants comforting one another during stressful situations. When an elephant becomes distressed, others may touch it with their trunks, remain close by, or attempt to reassure it. Elephants have also shown remarkable responses to death. Groups have been observed gathering around deceased elephants, touching the body, and remaining in the area for extended periods. Some elephants even revisit locations where family members died years earlier. While scientists continue to debate exactly what elephants understand about death, these behaviors suggest that they experience deep emotional responses to the loss of companions. Elephants also cooperate extensively. They help raise young calves, defend vulnerable group members, and work together to overcome challenges. Studies have shown that elephants can assist one another in problem-solving tasks, demonstrating an understanding that cooperation benefits the group. Their combination of intelligence, memory, and social awareness makes them one of the strongest examples of empathy in the animal kingdom. Chimpanzees. Chimpanzees are our closest living relatives, alongside bonobos. Because of this, many aspects of their behavior provide valuable insight into the evolution of empathy. Chimpanzees live in complex societies where social relationships are extremely important. Conflicts occur regularly, but researchers have observed behaviors that help repair these relationships. After fights, chimpanzees often engage in reconciliation behaviors such as grooming, embracing, or remaining close to one another. These actions appear to reduce stress and restore social bonds. Chimpanzees have also been observed comforting individuals who have experienced aggression or fear. Young chimpanzees often receive reassurance from older group members when they become distressed. Researchers have documented cases where chimpanzees helped injured companions and shared resources with others. Their behavior suggests an ability to recognize emotional states and respond appropriately. Because chimpanzees share so much of their genetic makeup with humans, many scientists view them as one of the most important species for understanding the origins of empathy. Their social lives are complex, emotional, and filled with behaviors that resemble aspects of human compassion. Bonobos. If any animal is frequently described as a leading candidate for the title of most empathetic species besides humans, it is the bonobo. Bonobos are close relatives of chimpanzees, yet their societies function very differently. While chimpanzee groups can be highly competitive, bonobo societies are often characterized by cooperation and social bonding. Researchers have repeatedly observed bonobos comforting distressed individuals. When another bonobo appears upset, nearby individuals may embrace, groom, or physically reassure them. Remarkably, bonobos do not limit this behavior only to close friends or family members. Studies suggest they are often willing to help individuals they do not know well. Bonobos have also demonstrated helping behaviors in controlled experiments. In some situations, they voluntarily assist others without receiving an immediate reward. This willingness to help appears to be driven by social concern rather than personal gain. Their strong focus on cooperation helps reduce conflict within groups and strengthen social connections. Many scientists consider bonobos one of the clearest examples of empathy outside our own species. Their behavior suggests that caring for others can be a powerful strategy for maintaining peaceful and successful societies. Wolves. Wolves are among the most social animals in the world. A wolf pack is not simply a collection of individuals living together. It is a close family unit where cooperation is essential for survival. Pack members hunt together, defend territory together, and help raise young pups together. Researchers have observed wolves providing support to injured or weakened members of their pack. In some cases, healthy wolves have shared food with pack members that were unable to hunt effectively. This behavior comes at a cost, since every meal is valuable, especially during harsh winters. Wolves also appear highly sensitive to the emotional states of other pack members. When conflicts occur, wolves often engage in behaviors that help restore social harmony. These may include licking, nuzzling, or other friendly interactions. Scientists believe these actions help maintain strong social bonds within the pack. Because wolves rely so heavily on teamwork, understanding and responding to the needs of others may be critical to their survival. The strength of these family relationships makes wolves one of the most socially connected animals on Earth. Orcas. Orcas, also known as killer whales, live in some of the most complex societies found anywhere in the animal kingdom. They travel in family groups called pods. Unlike many animals, orcas often remain with their mothers for their entire lives. These family groups can stay together for decades. Researchers have documented numerous examples of orcas helping sick, injured, or elderly pod members. Healthy individuals have been observed supporting weaker members near the water's surface so they can breathe more easily. Some pods have also been seen slowing their travel speed to accommodate injured individuals. Orcas communicate through a wide range of sounds and vocalizations. Different pods can even develop unique vocal traditions that are passed down through generations. The strong bonds between pod members suggest a high level of social awareness. Scientists believe these long-lasting family relationships play an important role in the survival and success of orca communities. Their willingness to assist vulnerable members is one reason they are frequently cited as one of the most socially intelligent animals in the ocean. Gorillas. Gorillas are often portrayed as powerful and intimidating animals. In reality, they are usually calm, social, and deeply connected to their family groups. A typical gorilla group is led by a dominant male known as a silverback. The silverback is responsible for protecting the group and resolving conflicts. Researchers have observed gorillas comforting one another through physical contact and grooming. Young gorillas frequently seek reassurance from older group members when they become frightened or distressed. Adult gorillas have also been seen intervening during conflicts to prevent injuries. These actions help maintain stability within the group. Gorillas form strong bonds with family members and often spend years living together. Mothers are especially attentive to their young and invest enormous amounts of time and energy into raising them. Scientists studying gorilla behavior have documented many examples of cooperation, protection, and social support. These behaviors suggest a strong capacity for recognizing and responding to the needs of others. Despite their immense strength, gorillas often demonstrate a remarkable level of gentleness toward members of their group. Crows. Crows are famous for their intelligence. They can solve puzzles, use tools, and remember human faces. But intelligence is not the only reason crows fascinate scientists. Research has shown that crows are highly social birds, with surprisingly complex relationships. Crows often live in family groups and cooperate with one another in various ways. Parents continue helping their offspring long after they are capable of surviving on their own. Older siblings may even assist in raising younger chicks. Scientists have observed crows reacting strongly when members of their group are injured or killed. Groups sometimes gather around a dead crow and investigate the area. Although the exact purpose of this behavior remains debated, it demonstrates that crows pay close attention to the well-being of other members of their community. Crows are also capable of learning from one another and sharing information about threats. Their ability to recognize social relationships and respond to the experiences of others suggests a level of social awareness that many people would not expect from a bird. Ravens. Ravens are close relatives of crows and are among the most intelligent birds ever studied. They form strong social bonds and possess impressive problem-solving abilities. Researchers have observed ravens consoling one another after stressful interactions. When a raven becomes distressed, closely bonded individuals may approach and engage in friendly contact. This behavior resembles consolation behavior seen in some mammals. Ravens are also capable of remembering social relationships for long periods of time. They can recognize individuals, track previous interactions, and adjust their behavior accordingly. Maintaining these relationships requires a sophisticated understanding of social dynamics. Scientists believe ravens possess a level of emotional intelligence that is rare among birds. Their ability to form lasting bonds and respond to the emotional states of others has made them a growing subject of research. As studies continue, ravens are increasingly being recognized as one of the most socially complex bird species in the world.